Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Figma to Lovable. So what we're going to do first is open your Figma design. So open up your project. Once you're on your project, click on the menu option which is on your top left here, the main menu. From there, go to plugins. From plugins, click on manage plugins, and here search for Builder.io. We're going to use Builder.io for this connection. Okay, click on Builder.io, and then what we're going to do, click on run. Okay, and once this you have done that, next click on the export option here. So click on export option, and then what we're going to do is going to click on this classic export here. Click on classic export here and here. Okay, so depending on your design, so choose a version. So I'll just choose this. So and then what we're going to do is simply click on open in Lovable. So once you have exported it, all you have to do is click on Lovable, and then click on Lovable, and then you will be opened in Lovable, and then you can further like enhance your app and then deploy it in Lovable, and that's how you actually connect it.